very, very nice U55-5 4-way hydraulic blade with the bolt-on cut edge. A quick coupler bucket, a pin-on hydraulic thumb, auxiliary hydraulic with a splitter valve, closed cab, air conditioner and heat, backup camera, brand new tracks we just put on, 2-speed transmission pattern changer. If you buy a new one, this is what you get, and it's got KUBOTA warranty on it. It's a very, very nice machine. It's got a few little scratches on one side, nothing to speak of. It looks like a brand new. Or it's close to a new one without buying it. And it's that zero tail swing.